Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain pattern generation using LEDs. And for this, we are going to use the Tinkercad online simulation tool. You need to go to tinkercad.com and then there you need to log in. So open your Tinkercad account, then go to designs and then click on create a circuit. The simulation window will appear on your screen. Now we need to select the components. We have to prepare the circuit and then accordingly we need to write the code for that circuit. First of all, we need to take one Arduino, type Arduino. You will get Arduino Uno. Bring the Arduino on your workspace. We had discussed previously that it is better way to use the breadboard for making the circuit. So we are going to use the breadboard. For that, I will simply take a breadboard, and this time I'm going to use a long breadboard in place of using a mini breadboard. Let me keep the breadboard over here, and accordingly I will adjust my Arduino board somewhere like here. If you want, you can give the name to your devices, or it is not required, not compulsory. Now we have to generate the pattern, and to do that, here I'm going to use 8 different LEDs. So I'm going to use 8 different LEDs, and we are trying to generate different patterns using those 8 LEDs. So first of all, we need to create the circuit for those 8 LEDs. Let's start the process now. And we know that we need to use the LED. So simply type LED, find the LED, drag and drop the LED on your breadboard. So this is my first LED. Similarly, I'll take the second LED, then the third LED. Similarly, I'm going to put all those LEDs on my breadboard. It is not necessary that we are going to use only 8 LEDs, but if you want, you can increase the number of LEDs as per your choice. So I am taking more LEDs using these LEDs. So here you can see I have used these many number of LEDs, and now I'm going to program. If I click on LEDs, it will show the name. So these many LEDs I have used. Now I have to use the resistor. Type resistor. You will find the resistor. Place the resistor like this. Change the value of the resistor to 220 ohms in place of kilo ohms. And then I want to copy this resistor. Okay. So there is an option of copy. So I'll click on copy, and then after I'll place that somewhere so that I need not to change the value every time for all the register. Again paste. So this will become very easy for me. Otherwise, again and again I need to take the value, change the value of the resistor. In place of doing that, I will copy and paste the components, and automatically it is increasing the name of the resistance also, but the value remains the same. So it is creating my job easy. So in this way, I can drag and drop all the resistances. So registers I have connected, LEDs I have taken. Now I need to apply ground and I need to apply the power. So one terminal ground I will take here. This is my ground of Arduino. So I'll connect this like this, and I will connect this at the bottom one. And we need to connect the second part of our LED with the ground. So I will connect like this. For all the LEDs, I have to do the same thing. I'm connecting all LEDs one by one. Similarly, you can also create your circuit. You need to remember that you need to connect at the bottom row, not at the second last row. Otherwise, the connection will be wrong. So in this way, we will connect all 12 LEDs. Yeah. So we have created our circuit. Half the part is done, but half is still remaining because we need to now connect the anode terminal with different pins, and that we need to remember also. So pin, this is my LED 1. You can see LED 1. I will start from LED 1 so that it will be easy while programming. So the second terminal of the resistor, I will connect to pin number 1. Now it is going to be very complex circuit. So I am using the path like this so that I will not have much confusion in my circuit. It is connected to D1, means pin number 1. The second LED I need to connect. So from here I can connect it to pin number 2. In this way, I will prepare and connect the entire circuitry. You can see how I'm doing. Just click as and where you want so that you can turn the wires, the cables. one by one. I'm doing it. So 4 I connected. Now number 5. Whenever you're doing these type of circuitry you are creating, that time you need to keep in mind that connect the pins which you can remember easily. Like if you have connected pin number LED number 2 to pin number 1, then it will be difficult for you to remember that. So that's why pin 1 LED to LED 1, pin 2 to LED 2, and so on. This will make your job easy. Otherwise, it is going to be very difficult and the output of your program will not be that much correct. So now I will connect it directly to pin number 9. Then, sorry, this one I need not to connect. I'll delete this here first to pin number 9. This one to pin number 10. This one to pin number 11. And the last one to pin number 12. Wow, circuit is too much complex for us. So I have made the entire circuitry. Now it is time to do the program. And we know that programming using the block code is quite easy. How to write the code once again. So forever block we have used because we want to blink the LED forever. Okay. So now we'll come to the output. We need to take one pin number at a time. So set pin number. First I'll start with pin number 1. Okay. Pin number 1 to high. And then I need to wait for 1 second. And then I will again go set pin number 1 to high. Then we have to keep it on low. So pin number 1 to low. Then pin number, before that we need to add the wait state. Then pin number 2 to high. And then wait I'll put in between, but it is not a good thing. Then again pin number 2 to low. Again wait. Now again come pin number 3 to high. Then pin number 3 to low. Pin number 3 to low. Now moving ahead. So pin number 3, I need to wait for 1 second. Then pin number 4. Pin number 4 to high. Wait for 1 second. Then pin number 4 to low. Now next pin number 5. But before that we need to add wait. So I can put wait also in this way. So now pin number 4 is done. Pin number 5 to high. Wait for 1 second. Pin number 5 to low. Then wait for 1 second. Next pin number 6. Pin number 6 to high. Wait for 1 second. Then pin number 6 to low. Wait for again 1 second. Now next pin number 7. Pin number 7 to high. Wait for 1 second. Then pin number 7 to low. Then wait for 1 second. Now next pin number 8 to high. Wait for 1 second. Then pin number 8 to low. Then wait for 1 second. Now pin number 9 to high. Wait for 1 second. Again pin number 9 to low. Then wait for 1 second. Next pin number 10 to high. Wait for 1 second. Pin number 10 again to low. Wait for 1 second. Now only 2 pins are remaining. Pin number 11 to high. Wait again for 1 second. Then pin number 11 to low. Then wait for 1 second again. Next pin number 12, our last pin, to high. And then wait for 1 second. Again pin number 12 to low. and then wait for 1 second. So in this way, we have created our program. Before executing the program, we need to check it once whether we have written the program correctly or not. And to do that, I will simply see how much big program we have written. So I will start from the beginning. So pin number 1 high, pin number 1 low, pin number 2 high, pin number 2 low, pin number 3 high, pin number 3 low, pin number 4 high, pin number 4 low, pin number 5 high, pin number 5 low, pin number 6 high, 6 low, 7 high, 7 low, 8 high, 8 low, 9 high, 9 low, 10 high, 10 low, 11 high, 11 low, 12 high, 12 low. Now we'll see the output for this code that we have written using block coding. I'm pressing on start simulation and see the magic, what happens. So you can see the simulation is started now, and one by one the LEDs are glowing. So this is one pattern wherein the LEDs are glowing one by one. Now suppose, let us consider for a minute that we want the LEDs to glow continuously. It means that we want pin number 1 to glow first, then pin number 2. When pin number 1 is glowing at the same time, when the pin number 2 will glow at the same time, pin number 1 will also glow. In this way, if we want the pattern, it means first this will glow, then the second, then the third, then fourth, and when the fourth is glowing, all first four will glow together. In that way, we want the pattern to be created. So how we can generate that pattern? We need to simply use the logic in that situation. If I don't want to keep any particular LED in off condition, then all the parts where we had written wait for 1 second and keep it low, those line of blocks or those line of codes we need to remove from our coding. So if we'll do that, then continuously all your pins will start glowing one by one and will keep glowing. So let's change that. So we have idea. What we need to do is we need to remove the low part and wait 1 second part. So click here, delete block, wait, delete. Pin number 2 is high, okay, wait for 1 second. Then pin number 2 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 3 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 4 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 5 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 6 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 7 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 8 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 9 low, delete, wait 1 second, delete. Pin number 10 low, delete, wait 1 second. From the codes, we need to delete all the blocks which is going to keep our LEDs in low condition. It means in off condition. So now we'll see we have only the high conditions, how our program will behave when we do like this. Let's see. Let me start the simulation. So you can see here now all the LEDs are glowing. If you want now to change the pattern, like our first 2 LEDs will glow, then second 2, then the next 2, then the next 2, like that we can do that also using the coding. So let us do that too. So what we are going to do is we are going to glow first 2 LEDs together, then we are going to keep it off, and then the next 2 LEDs. So pin number 1 and 2 high, wait for 1 second. Now I need to keep pin number 1 and 2 low. So set pin number 1 and set pin number 2 to low, 1 and 2 to low. Don't be confused because I am editing on the same, and then wait for 1 second. Then what I want, pin number 3 and pin number 4 to run together, and then after wait for 1 second, and then I want pin number 3 and 4 to be in off condition. So that I'll include pin number after 1 second, pin number 3 and pin number 4 to be low, 3, and then pin number 4. This I need to keep low. Then again wait for 1 second. From the control you will get that. Wait for 1 second. Now pin number 5 and 6 to be high, and then after pin number 5 and 6 to be low. So now wait for 1 second after pin number 5 and 6 to be low. Now pin number 7 and 8 to be high. 7, 8 to be high. Wait for 1 second. Then 7 and 8 to be low. So pin number 7 and pin number 8 to be low. then pin number 9 and 10 to be high. Wait for 1 second. Then pin number 9 and 10 to be low. So here pin number 9 and pin number 10 to be low. Then pin number 11 and 12 to be high. Then pin number 11 and 12 to be low. Pin number 11 low, and then pin number 12 also. So now I have written the program, and now we'll check how the output appears for this particular program. So start. So you can see from here, the pattern is generated. So this is the way how we can generate the pattern. We can do it for 4 lights, then on and off, then on and off, and similarly. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.